Hello everyone, I hope you people are doing great. So today I am going to explain you some important tips about discussion essay. This is one of the type of essay in your task 2 IELTS. So let's begin now. If you haven't watched my yesterday's video, please do watch it and share to your friends and do comment me. If you got my explanation at what level, please do comment me. Okay, now let's start it. Discussion essay, tips and techniques. For every type of essay, like you have 4 important types of essays, this is also one of the important. And how to write an essay, आप कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे essay. आपको फर्स्ट आप लिए, आप क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लिया, आप स्टार्ट कर लिए, ऐसा नहीं करिए. देन यू हैव टू इरेज इट और डिलीट इट. ओके, इफ यू आर डूइंग पेपर बेस देन यू हैव टू इरेज इफ यू आर डूइंग विद कंप्यूटर बेस देन यू हैव टू डिलीट. सो टू आपको आपका टाइम बचाना है, टू सेव योर टाइम एंड डू नॉट रिपीट द मिस्टेक्स. सो यू हैव टू फॉलो द प्रोफॉर्मा. व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर? Read the statement carefully and mark the highlighting words of the statement. आपको 2 से 3 बार आपको क्वेश्चन स्टेटमेंट पढ़ना चाहिए. You have to read because while reading again and again you will get an idea. Okay? आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि मैं कैसे पढ़ूँ, ये क्या है, किस बारे में है, ये स्टेटमेंट को कैसे तोड़ मरोड़ कर दिया गया है, आपको उसको कैसे समझना चाहिए. ठीक है? और carefully and mark the highlighting words. You have to highlight the words properly, understood the meaning and what highlighting words के आप synonyms लिखिए वहाँ पे. Okay, on your rough paper write the synonyms. What are you getting in your mind? Okay, write 3-4, try to write 3-4 synonyms so that you can use that synonyms in your essay. Repetition of words will lose your band score. So avoid repetition of words. Instead of repeating words, you can use synonyms. Then the introduction of the task based on these words. Yes, just now I said no. Highlighting words के आप synonyms लिखिए, फिर वो words आप essay में use कर सकते हैं intro में, और वो आपको काफ़ी useful होता है. Introduction of passage is nothing but the paraphrasing of statement. आप जैसा paraphrase करके आपको statement लिखना है. That's it. That is only your intro. And students, this will give you a good band score. Okay, first impression is the best impression, right? And the second, coming towards the second tip and technique, think of possible reasons and effects of a concept, then take notes. Think of possible reasons means आपको इतने multiple reasons कि ये ऐसे में क्या क्या लिख सकती हूँ मैं, इसमें क्या क्या. सपोज यू गॉट एन पॉइंट ऑफ you got in discussion on plants, deforestation, afforestation. Okay, आपको बताना चाहिए डिफॉरेस्ट्रेशन के क्या क्या नुकसानात है, इसके क्या क्या रीजंस है, एफॉरेस्ट्रेशन के क्या क्या रीजंस है. तो वो आपको कंप्लीट एक ऐसे में आपको लिखना चाहिए. यू हैव टू analyze each and everything and it take only 2-3-5 minutes. That's it, not more than that. Give 5 minutes for your planning and plotting. Okay, how you plan your essay, that much to boost your score. That examiner think that this person have complete knowledge of this, complete knowledge on discussion essay. Okay, and he has a good English skills. Next one, good way to brainstorm is to start thinking from personal perspective and move on to general idea. As I said, brainstorming, सोचो, think. Okay, आप अपने आइडिया से सोचो. अब अगर मैं यहाँ पे रहता था तो मैं क्या करती हूँ थी, अगर मैं इनकी प्लेस में होती तो हम लोग क्या क्या कर सकते थे, सोचिए. और आप देन मेक आइडियाज, डेवलप आइडियाज. डोंट गेट पैनिक. आगे वाला, अरे he started writing, she started writing, I am only in thinking, I am wasting my time. Don't look here and there. You are the best, you can do the best. That's it. Okay, So think and do. Next one, after making notes of important points, start writing. Yes, of course. चलो हमने सोच लिया, हमने सिनोनिम्स लिख लिया, अभी स्टेटमेंट समझ में आ गया, रीजंस हमने सोच लिया माइंड में हमको क्या क्या लिखना है अभी. And now we are done. We have written our synonyms, we have paraphrased the intro, then we have made points to what to write and what not to write. And now what? Come on. Now we have to start our essay. We are done. We have given our 5 valuable minutes. Now it's over. Now use appropriate connectors. Connectors in the sense linking words. These are the main thing, that one passage must be related to the another one. It has a link. एक कनेक्शन हमेशा रहना चाहिए पैसेज में. ये नहीं कि चलो ऊपर वाला अलग है नीचे वाला अलग है, उसका कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. Connector in the sense however, moreover, nevertheless, nonetheless. So there are so many connectors, but these are the best. These works wonders on your essays. Okay, instead of writing and, but, so, use this. And coming towards the next one, use less common words for various expressions. Less common in the sense, use some variety of words. For example, words. Don't write words, write deteriorating. Like funny, hilarious, and so many. Don't use that basic words. Examiners are getting bored. They are seeing so many students like you people, and now they are getting bored of that words. They want some new. अभी आप एक ही खाना थोड़ी खाएंगे एवरी टाइम. यू वांट सम चेंज, राइट? उसको ही थोड़ा आप चेंज करके कुछ भी वैरायटी करके आप खा लो. ऐसे एग्जामिनर भी बोर हो चुके हैं वो वर्ड सुन के. दे वांट समथिंग न्यू and they want us to improve ourselves. They want us to show our English skills, not our writing skills, not what we have written the matter. No, nothing is connected to the matter. They just want English skills, grammar, vocabulary, tenses, connectors, paraphrasing, how many synonyms you are using. Okay, now the next one. Always, this is the main thing, students. At last you have to do proofreading in the sense cross checking. आपका पूरा essay खत्म हो गया, done. Everything you have written, you have structured your essay, intro, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, then conclusion. Over. Now your time is to proofread in the sense शुरू से आप एक एक लाइन ऐसा पढ़िए. You will get the mistakes. करेक्ट इट. ऐसा मत सोचिए मैंने सब लिखा हुआ है सोच समझ के तो मैं मिस्टेक नहीं करूँगा या नहीं करूँगी. आप करेंगे बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन बींग्स. सो क्रॉस चेक इट, प्रूफ रीड इट. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. इफ यू हैवंट लाइक माई वीडियो, प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स. डू कॉमेंट मी